Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to access training and resources on Zyqual to set up your school. You simply go to zyqual.com and you would have already registered your school and received your school account. Use the same username and password to log in. So when you go to training and resources, you click on first steps. You then need to log in with your Zyqual username and password. That is your Ministry of Education email address and the password that you have for Zyqual. You would have probably reset this password already, or you're using the same password that was submitted to you. So you will put your email address in, then log in. Once you're logged in, the system will redirect you to the training page. So you're now on the first steps page. So here are some explanations and the videos that goes through the different sections that you will need to complete in order to set up your school. School admin settings. There are some settings within the system that will allow you to have some more control. Please use them wisely. See, read and understand what they're about. Enable and disable them as you need. But remember that all users need to be notified whenever events happen within the system. So make sure that everyone can receive emails. It is just there for the purpose of the system and how you feel fit to use it within your school. Down here, further, we have additional videos that will then direct you to update the system suitable for carrying out lesson observations, appraisals, and individual professional development, planning, data capture. So the videos are here. Some of it is one video, but each one starts at the relevant point that you will need the information for. And then here are some additional details at the end. This is mostly suitable for secondary school setup. We will be rolling out the primary school videos next week. The process from the top all the way down to here is pretty much similar. So when it gets to adding the departments and the faculties, that's where it becomes a bit different. So if you're in a primary school, I would suggest that you wait until you get the primary school videos to start doing your setup. Thank you very much.